In this video, we will answer if the body deodorizing supplement of Deos is actually good. So Deos body deodorizing supplement is marketed as a natural internal deodorant that uses chlorophyll, parsley, and mint to reduce body odor from the inside out. So while some user reviews and product description claim it promotes freshness and well-being, experts note that there is no scientific evidence to support the effectiveness of such supplements. So there's also potential side effects right here. So its key ingredients like chlorophyll and parsley claimed that they can remove the odor, and the usual usage for this is taking one capsule daily or two for stronger effects. However, the potential side effect for this is green discoloration on urine or stools, as well as gastrointestinal upset or mild stomach discomfort. It also is noted to show up or give photosensitivity to the skin, so it's actually important to not use this. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.